Today, let's cleanse, balance, and strengthen your aura, the subtle energy field that surrounds and protects you. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. With every breath, allow your body to relax. Feel yourself arriving in the moment, centered, calm, safe, and open. Imagine soft golden roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into Mother Earth. Feel the earth's nurturing energy rising through these roots, warm, grounding, and stabilizing. With each inhale, draw this golden light upward into your body. And with each exhale, release all tension, stress, or unwanted thoughts into Mother Earth. You are supported and grounded. Now bring your awareness around your body, that is your aura, a luminous field of energy extending in all directions. Visualize it as a sphere of light, soft, radiant, and alive. Imagine a gentle waterfall of pure white light flowing down from above your head. As it flows through your energy field, it washes away all heaviness, negativity, fear, and emotional residue. It cuts all the unwanted cords not serving you any good. See this light cleansing your aura layer by layer, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. If you sense darker or dull areas, imagine the light gently dissolving them into sparkles of pure energy. Whisper silently, I release all energies that no longer serve me. I cleanse and renew my field. Keep breathing. As you breathe, you feel lighter, clearer, and freer. Now imagine your aura glowing in perfect harmony, vibrant colors blending smoothly like a soft rainbow mist. All your chakras are shining brightly, feeding your aura with balanced energies. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Express gratitude to the divine, your higher self, and the light that flows through you. Carrying this positivity and calmness, slowly open your eyes.